Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. So kids, in the last class we have started a new concept that is even and odd numbers, right? We have started doing even and odd numbers. Even odd we have started, fine. Now, तो अभी क्या even odd हमने करना शुरू किया. अब now the thing is we have completed the concept of even, not like completed, but we have done few questions, right? So today also we are going to revise the same thing. Today we are going to revise about the even number, and then we will start the odd number, and after that, after even odd, there are some properties of even and odd number that we will do. Fine. So can we start now? Okay. So in the last class we have seen that even numbers are those numbers that get exactly divided by 2. Or see, we have seen that even numbers are those numbers that can be that get exactly divided by 2. फाइन, मतलब वो नंबर जो कि हम 2 से एग्जैक्टली हम जिस नंबर को डिवाइड कर दें, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज इवन नंबर. ठीक है. तो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चन and we have to find out whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So first I will give you the example. सबसे पहले I will give you the example. Fine. See, if I take a number, say this is an example question, that is the number is 84. Now if the number is 84 and I am asking whether this given number is divisible by, this number is even or not. So what you will do to find out that whether this given number is divisible by 2 or not? What you will do? To find out whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not, what you have to do? Just divide it by 2, and if you get remainder as 0, that means the number is even. And if you get remainder as any number, then that number is not an even number. Got it? Okay. Fine. Now moving ahead. So yes, let us find out whether this number 84 is divisible by this number 84 is even number or not. Fine. Let us find out. So 84. So what we will do? We will divide 84 with 2. Remember, you have to divide that number with 2 only. Always with 2. Not with any other number. You have to divide that number with 2 only. ठीक है? So divide that number with 2 and find out with what you will get as remainder. Remainder क्या बच रहा है? चलो करते हैं. So 84 divided by 2. Now 2 के टेबल में 84 do we get? तो उतना बड़ा 84 को सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. We can see, do we get 2 के टेबल में 8? First number is 8 here. So we will see whether we get 8 in 2 का टेबल or not. Well yes, 2 के टेबल में 8 we will get. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. We have got 8 minus 8 nothing. Carry down 4. Now do we get 2 के टेबल में 4? Do we get 2 के टेबल में 4? Yes. 2s are cross. To see, we have got remainder as 0. So here we have got remainder as 0. When we were dividing this number 84 with 2, we have got remainder as 0. That means this number is exactly divisible by 2. That means this number is exactly divisible by 2, and we can also conclude that this number is an even number. This number is an even number. Okay. This work is easy. Fine. Now let us take one more example. Here we have taken 84. Now the next number that we are going to take is say 36. Now divide 36 with 2 to find out whether this number is even or not. Do the division yourself. Very small division. Do this division yourself, and you know what? By following this method, by following this even odd method, what happen? It will be easy for us to find out whether the given number is even or not. अगर बड़े से बड़ा नंबर दिया है और हमने उसे 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया और वो नंबर एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो भी गया, that means that number is divisible by 2. चलो let us do. करिए क्वेश्चन करिए. Yes, 36 divided by 2. Fine. Chalo. So we will put 36 inside that box. And yes, do the division. We have put 36 inside that box. And yes, now what we have to do? We have to do the division. 2 के टेबल में 3. Do we get 2 के टेबल में 3? No, we don't get. Yeah, so we'll take it one time. हाँ, मतलब देखो डिवीजन तो आता है. अगर मैं बोलूँ 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, तो 2 टाइम्स में तो ज्यादा हो जा रहा है. We will take it one time. No, 2 ones are. What we will get? 1. Carried out 6. ठीक है. Now what next? Do we get 16 in 2's table? Yes. 2 8s are 16. 6 minus 6 will get nothing. 1 minus 1 will get nothing. So the remainder is what? You can see that remainder is 0. Okay. ठीक है. That means this number is what? This number is an even number. This number is an even number. ओके, गॉट इट. फाइन. तो ये कौन सा मेथड था? ये मेथड था वेयर वी डिवाइड एंड फाइंड आउट वेदर द गिवन नंबर इज इवन और नॉट. फाइन. नोट दिस डाउन, देन वी विल मूव टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Completed? Okay. Now here I am going to give you few questions, and the heading of the question will be find out let us change. Which of the following is an even number? Is an even number. Okay. Now the first one is 33. Second one is 44. And third one is 50. Now you have to divide this number by 2 and you have to find out whether the given number is even or not. Even or odd. Fine. Do this question. Do this question, then we will move toward the next one where we have to make the pair of 2 to find out the even and odd. 33, 44 and 50. Find out. Okay. Now 33. So what we have to do? We have to divide this number with 2. Two के table with 3 you will get how many times? 1 time. 3 minus 2 1. Then 3. 2 के table में 3 you will get 6 times. 1 and then cross. So here you have got a remainder, है ना? यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे you have got one remainder, a number as remainder. So that means what? This number is not this number is not divided by 2. This number is not divisible by 2. That means this number is an odd number. So any number that cannot be get divided by 2 is an odd number. फाइन. कोई सा भी नंबर जो कि नहीं डिवाइड होता 2 से, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल दैट ऑड नंबर. फाइन. सो दिस is an odd number. Moving toward the next question, that is 44. Now what? You have to divide 44 and you have to find out whether that number is divisible by 2 or not. So chalo, or that number is even or not. So what we have to do? We have to divide this number with by 2. Do the division. Chalo, find out. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4, what you will get? Nothing. 4. You will get nothing. So what? 22 is our answer. Okay? What is our answer? 22. Now the next number is, हाँ no 44 को तो डिवाइड किया तो 22 बचा, मतलब रिमाइंडर क्या आया? Remainder we have got nothing. We have got 0 as our remainder. Fine. So if we have got 0 as our remainder, that means what? अब अगर 0 आया है remainder की तरह, तो मतलब this number is a even number. Next is 50. divided by 2. चलो carry on. 50 divided by 2. करिए. Do the division yourself. At least do the division yourself. Rest of the thing तो I will explain. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. See, this number is divisible by 2, completely divisible by 2. That this means that this number is what? It's a even number. Fine. Now complete these 3 questions in your notebook. Come on, do these 3 questions in your notebook in a neat and clean way. Do this work in a neat and clean way. Come on, complete this, then we will move toward the next concept. Okay, chalo, I am going to erase the board now. Hope you have completed. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट थिंग. ठीक है, अगली चीज पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट. अच्छा ठीक है, तो कल एक और चीज पे डिस्कशन हुआ था पेयरिंग मेथड पे. तो मैम ने आपको बताया था इवन नंबर आर दोज नंबर दैट कैन मेक परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2. ठीक है, तो एक टर्म आया था कल, परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2. ठीक है, परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2. नाउ परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2 से मेरा क्या मतलब है, वो नंबर जिनको अगर हम 2 के दो के टुकड़ों में बांटें तो हमें परफेक्ट पेयर मिले, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, इवन नंबर कहते हैं. फाइन, लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. तो यहाँ पे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एन एग्जांपल एज 8. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 8 एज एग्जांपल. नाउ अगर मुझे पता करना है विदाउट डिवाइडिंग, अगर मुझे पता करना है कि दिस नंबर 8 is an even number or an odd number by making a perfect pair of 2, then what I have to do? If I have to find out that, then I have to let us do. So we will make 8 balls. So here I have made 8 balls. So what? अब क्या? अब we will do the pairing 2 2, मतलब you will make boxes. ठीक है, you will make some boxes like this and one box में you will put two balls. Fine, and you have to find out whether you have even number or this 8 is an odd number. चलो, let us do the pairing. तो I am talking about this 8. Let us make a pair. ठीक है, अब देखो 8 था, 2 2 के पेयर में बन गया. क्या कोई नंबर छूटा? क्या कोई भी बॉल लेफ्ट आउट रह गई? नहीं. चलो, लेफ्ट आउट को समझने के लिए एक और एक्टिविटी करते हैं. दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 7. Now what we will do, we will make 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now make the pairing. Yes, क्या हुआ? चलो, फर्स्ट पेयर, सेकेंड पेयर, थर्ड पेयर. अब क्या इस नंबर को अगर मैं पेयर करना चाहूँ तो क्या मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा आएगा? नो. तो देखो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे, 2 के पेयर्स तो बने बट हुआ क्या, 1 लेफ्ट आउट रह गया. और इससे ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में 2 के पेयर्स बने बट कोई भी नंबर लेफ्ट आउट नहीं रहा. कोई भी नंबर क्या नहीं रहा, लेफ्ट आउट नहीं रहा. तो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, दिस नंबर इज व्हाट, even number. This is what, even number. And this one is odd number. ठीक है. तो आप जब परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2 बनाते हो उसमें अगर कोई नंबर लेफ्ट आउट रह जाता है, दैट मीन्स वो नंबर क्या है, एक ऑड नंबर. लेट अस टेक सम बिग एग्जांपल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक next number is 12, and after that we will discuss about 17. 12 and 17. Chalo, come on. Make the pair, make the circles, make the pair. Okay, let us do. So here I am going to make pair of 2. I mean first I am going to make some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balls बना लिया. अब 2 का क्या करना है हमें, we have to make pair of 2. Let us do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have got 6 perfect pair of 2. We have got perfect pair. Now what does that mean? We have got perfect pair, that means this number is what? It's an even number. Fine. We have got 6 pair. और कोई भी नंबर देखो, कोई भी यहाँ पे कोई भी बॉल लेफ्ट आउट नहीं बची. जब कोई भी बॉल लेफ्ट आउट नहीं बची, that means what? This number is what? It's an even number. Okay. Now let us talk about 17. ठीक है, next question I am going to talk about is 17. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. अब यहाँ पे भी क्या करना है, आपने पेयरिंग करनी है. 2 की पेयरिंग करो. चलो, डू द पेयरिंग. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 is what? लेफ्ट आउट. एक रह गया, वो लेफ्ट आउट रह गया. मतलब क्या हुआ वहां पे? जब एक नंबर लेफ्ट आउट रह गया, दैट मीन्स दिस नंबर इज व्हाट? इट्स एन ऑड नंबर, राइट? This number is what? It's an odd number. Okay. Now do all these questions in your copy, then we will move ahead. Come on, do all these questions. Okay, so here I am going to erase the board. Now see, अब देखो इवन नंबर तो देख लिया हमने, अब चांस आती है ऑड नंबर की. ऑल्दो अभी बात आपको क्लियर हो गई होगी कि जो नंबर इवन नहीं है वो नंबर क्या है? वो नंबर ऑड है. जो नंबर इवन नहीं है वो नंबर ऑड नंबर है. करेक्ट? ठीक है, तो वो ऑड नंबर है. नाउ लेट अस डू सम क्वेश्चन. अब परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2 से ही वी विल फाइंड आउट द ऑड नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 9 लिखा और मुझे परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ 2 से पता करना है whether this number 9 is an even number or an odd number, then what I have to do? I will make balls. Okay, so here I have made 9 balls. Now what? Next we are going to make boxes around these 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 left out. मतलब क्या? 1 ball इसको जगह नहीं मिली, परफेक्ट 2 में इसको जगह नहीं मिल पाई. That means this whole number, that means 9 is what? It's an odd number. Fine. It is what? It is an odd number. Okay. So this is an what? It's an odd number. Similarly, if I write here 15, then चलो पता करो. If I write here 15, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. तो ये नंबर तो आपको विजिबली देख के भी पता चल रहा है कि ये एक ऑड नंबर है, क्योंकि वहां पे जो एक 1 है वो क्या है? वो लेफ्ट आउट है. बट स्टिल लेट अस मेक द पेयरिंग. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 परफेक्ट पेयर्स बने, एक लेफ्ट आउट रह गया. मतलब क्या? दिस नंबर इज एन ऑड नंबर. Fine. Okay. So class, this is it for today, and tomorrow we will continue something new. Okay. So yeah, this is it for today, and ma'am will meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.